Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we talk about Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Along with telling the details, I am also sharing some pictures with you, so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop has a thin bezel with an 80% screen-to-body ratio, 165Hz refresh rate, and 3 ms response time. It also comes with Windows 11 and a redesigned chassis that features dual fan cooling. Nitro 5 laptop comes with the latest new and improved 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor that offers exceptional gaming performance, and we are proud and elated to bring this new laptop to Indian gaming enthusiasts. Newly launched Nitro 5 sports a classic look with its refined new chassis and screen, giving our users a premium gaming experience, Nanda Kumar, Director Product Management, Acer India said in a statement. Other important features of the newly launched laptop include voice technology with AI noise reduction in dual built-in microphones, webcam with temporal noise reduction, killer double-shot Pro, and Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port. Configure the laptop for maximum speed and massive storage with 2 slots for M.2 SSD/S1 and up to 32GB of DDR4 3200 RAM. Nitro 5 maximizes cooling to eliminate throttling and achieve full CPU and GPU utilization. Call up the Nitro Sense UI with a single touch of the dedicated Nitro Sense key to instantly visualize component, temperature, loading performance, power plan, and more. Users can also optimize the laptop with different modes. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment section of the video. And please, subscribe our channel.